Back again, Healthy Living with Ms. Renee the Barber. So glad that you stopped by to visit as I unbox my gift from YouTube. What a wonderful surprise to find the artwork by artist Reyna Noriega, as well as a book of inspirational poems titled In My Cocoon. No, it was just a few short weeks ago on April the 28th of 2022 that hashtag Crown and Glory held this magnificent event. It was the first YouTube interactive virtual event. I had an awesome time, a time that will be logged in my memory bank. For the evening of the event included workshops and training, networking, activities, including a photo shoot. And I had the opportunity to meet more YouTubers, those that are larger, some smaller, but all were so excited, and the stories transparent yet positive. Their encouragement, their direction gave me encouragement to help build and strengthen YouTube's community. Hashtag Crown and Glory was created to recognize and celebrate Black women creators and their contribution to the culture, both on and off YouTube. Hashtag YouTube Black was established to help and support Black creators so that they can thrive on YouTube. They offer training, workshops, networking events throughout the year. It is good to know that YouTube provides programs in place to help and inspire YouTubers. So for more information about hashtag YouTube Black and hashtag Crown and Glory, you can find them on the internet or check out my description box below for more information. Now, I was expecting my gift, as they had mentioned during the evening of the workshop on April 28th, but I was not expecting it to be as large as it is. It was so encouraging just to arrive home and see a package on my doorstep. I didn't realize the gift was going to be as large as it was. And it's kind of heavy too. It's heavy, okay? I didn't expect that. I was expecting maybe just the envelope to say thank you for participating in the first ever interactive virtual event on YouTube. And I mean, it touched my heart. It really made me feel some kind of way with my name on the piece of artwork, Healthy Living with Ms. Renee the Barber. It almost brings tears to my eyes. Okay, there are a lot of challenges that YouTube creators experience behind the scenes on this magnificent journey, and from time to time need that encouragement from YouTube. I want to thank YouTube, hashtag YouTube Black, hashtag Crown and Glory for giving me the opportunity to use this platform, to have my voice heard and to have my stories told online globally. I am now wrapping up a 3-year span on YouTube's platform and getting ready to start my 4th year, encouraged by YouTube, YouTube Black, and Crown and Glory. Thank you so much. And to my viewers, thank you for your lasting support, your loyal support. Thank you for the comments, the shares, the donations, the thumbs up, the likes. Can you believe that if viewers like you have watched my videos and copied my recipes and made them for their family, for dinner, or for breakfast, lunch, snacks, okay, and have requested my approval to allow them to publish them in newsletters. I am so grateful and I'm very humble, and I thank you so much. So, okay, I don't want to hold you guys. I'm going to go ahead and close out now. Thank you for joining me and sharing this monumental moment with healthy living with Ms. Renee the Barber. And until the next video, here's to healthy living.